Hello everyone, my name is Rahul Singh. Welcome again. Today I am going to start a new series on the Selenium. So if anyone who wants to start their career in the automation testing, they can follow this series and you can learn the automation very easily. So let's start with the today topic is that what is Selenium? We will understand it in the detail and we will cover these points that what is Selenium. So what is Selenium? Selenium is a free open source automated testing framework used to validate web application across different browsers and platforms. You can use multiple programming languages like Java, C Sharp, Python to create Selenium test script. And the testing what we do with the help of Selenium tools, we call it as the Selenium testing. Selenium is one of the most widely used open source web user interface automation testing suite. And it is the free open source because we have not to pay any license cost to use the same software. Selenium is called as a tool suite. The reason is that Selenium contains different software like Selenium WebDriver, Selenium Grid, Selenium RC, and Selenium IDE, Integrated Development Environment. This is the reason that's why it is called the Selenium tool suite because it's a set of software. Every tool or software of the Selenium have their characteristics and their features which we can use to automate the software or any web application. Now question is that who developed the Selenium? So Selenium was primarily developed by the Jason Huggins in the 2004. Jason Huggins was working as an engineer at ThoughtWorks. It is the name of the company ThoughtWorks. And as we have discussed that in the Selenium many different tools, so other tools are developed by different people. Actually, in 2004, he was working on a web application. Jason Higgins was working on a web application that required a frequent testing, a manual testing. It was taking time. So he thought to develop application so that the automation can be done and the automation testing should be possible through that program. So he created a JavaScript program that would automatically control the browser actions. And he has developed that and he named this program the JavaScript runner, test runner. So in the starting, the name of Selenium was JavaScript test runner. And later he renamed it as the Selenium core. Selenium support different platform. Yeah, we can create the automation testing project on the different platform like Windows, Linux, Solaris, and Macintosh. And it's also support operating system for mobile applications like iOS, Windows Mobile, and Android. So we can make a project throughout the different platform. Selenium support different programming languages. Like as a software automation tester, we can develop automation project with different programming language like C Sharp, Java, PHP, Python, whatever the language we know, we can make the automation project with the same programming language and Selenium. But currently, Selenium WebDriver is most popular with Java and C Sharp. And we will see in this series with the Java. The next point is that Selenium support different browser. Selenium support different browser, like we can do the automation testing on different browsers like Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Safari, Mozilla Firefox, and we can just code for one browser. Like if we have code for the Google Chrome, we can run the same code for the different browsers, but we have to just change the browser, their drivers of the browsers. Like we can use Chrome drivers for the Google Chrome, Gecko driver for the Mozilla Firefox, Edge driver for the Microsoft Edge. So we have not to like code for the different browser through the different projects. So in the same project, we have to just change some configuration. We have to just change the drivers for the browsers, and we can automate very easily any application, any web application on browsers. Selenium can be integrated with many automation test tools like Maven, Jenkins, and Docker. And by integrating Jenkins and Dockers, we can achieve continuous testing. And it can also be integrated with tools such as TestNG and JUnit for managing test cases and generating reports. So we can integrate other automation test tools with the Selenium. And the last point is prerequisite. So to learn and to use the Selenium, it is the basic understanding of the any programming language we should have, like object-oriented programming language like C Sharp, Java, the programming language what we have discussed, that which is supported by the Selenium like C Sharp, Java, PHP, Python. We should have the basic understanding of those programming language or any one programming language which in which we want to automate our software. That's it. So in this session, what we have discussed, that what is Selenium and what is the Selenium tool suite and who developed the Selenium, and which different platform is supported by the Selenium, and different programming language which is supported by the Selenium, and Selenium support different browsers, and we can integrate different automation test tool with the Selenium. Thank you so much. If you like this what we have discussed, please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.